Ladies and gentlemen, Nerdy Girl, how are you all doing? It's Monday, November 10th, 2025. And I want to welcome you all to Burn Freeze, Illinois. Burn Freeze. Place with no spring and no fall. We have 5 months of summer, 5 months of spring. 5 months of winter, 5 months of summer, 1 month of spring, and 1 month of fall. So, we had a nice winter snowstorm. In some areas, 6 to 7 inches of snow. Looks like the dog is walking me rather than I walking her. Enjoy Burn Freeze, Illinois. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe down below. And ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching.